very good morning to one and all once again. Today we are here again to learn a new lecture. As in this online lecture, we studied a lot of things by exploring on YouTube, Google, Chrome, and different other mediums. Now today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is chapter number 1.4, Revti's Musical Plant. My dear children, this story is very interesting. And if you learn it, it will be a more interesting for you. Even though this is a scientific lesson, but it gives us a good moral. My dear children, before proceeding further, let us do a warming up exercise. What is warming up exercise? Now, my dear children, let me tell you few things about Indian history. In India, music is given as a different strata in the society. Since Akbar's time, people are fond of music. People are in love of music. People are having a craze of music. Emperor Akbar had a special member in his court to play a music, and the name of that fellow is Tansen. He used to play a beautiful ragas where king used to carry himself in that raga. Even, my dear children, there are different types of music played. And we all basically love music. We sing songs, we murmur in our mouth whenever we are free. And it is said that music heals human. You know, whenever we have sorrow in our heart, or whenever we are sad, whenever we are upset, and if we sing music, it helps us to forget our sorrowness. It helps us to forget our sadness. My dear children, music has played a very important role in human life. Not only human, but also plants and animals. And today we are going to learn lesson how music has played a very important role in a plant's life. How do we can discover that plants love music? Before proceeding further, let me give you a specific scientific example. A scientist. He was a scientist in Calcutta. He was the first person who proved that plants love music. Himself had a placed plant in his house, and he used to play every day a music, different music, and plants had responded to that music. Plants love music. So Jagdish Chandra Bose was a scientist in Calcutta. He was the first person to prove beautiful story. From that, we are going to learn in this lesson, that is Ryoti's musical plant. My dear children, I'll be sharing one screen with you and then I'll be explaining you. So let's take a brief round of the screen. Yes, here is the screen. See, I told you about Tansen. Tansen was one of the ninth jewel in the Akbar's court, Emperor Akbar. He was considered as a ninth jewel. Okay, you know, very jewel means very precious, and he was a very precious person in the Akbar's court. The great singer earned a fame in a court. His voice, his enchanting voice, captured the heart of Akbar and his kingdom. He had a melodious voice. He had a beautiful voice, and Akbar was in love of Tansen's voice. Now, second is this is the miracle of Indian music, that is Deepak Raga and Malhar Raga. These are the famous raga. Now, what do you mean by raga? Raga means note of a music. Raga means note of a music. Yes, somebody raises hand. Yes, Gopal Yadav. Yes, beta. You can just tell me.
One more question, Miss.
Yes, beta.
Miss, enchanting means?
Enchanting means saying continuously. When you say something, that means enchanting.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, beta. The miracle of Indian music. Now, Deepak Raga and Mallara. Now, what do you mean by Deepak Raga? It's an old raga associated by the legend of Tansin. Yes, Mangesh. Somebody raises hand. Mangesh, but what happened? Okay, I'll be continuing. Which is said to have the ability of lightening the lamps when it is sung. See now, Deepak Raga. Deepak means what? Deepak means light. Okay, you can see a diya. So when this raga was sung, okay, then it is said that the lamp used to light. So this name is given Deepak Raga, and Malhar Raga is an old raga which is said to be the capable for inducing heavy rain. Means when this music was sung or this raga was sung, it used to rain. So this is a power which the raga is having. Next is we are going to move, that is discussing about something about music. What impact does music have on human beings? Yes, music has improved the quality of human life and aids on physical, emotional, cognitive, and social needs. Cognitive means what? Your mental. Cognitive is related to your mental. Okay, your brain. So whenever you're disturbed, whenever you're upset, whenever you're sad, you can listen the music, and it is said that music heals human. Next is, do you think that music can have an impact on animal, birds, and even plants? Yes. And same thing we are going to learn in this lesson, that is Revti's musical plant. My dear children, before proceeding, let me tell you a beautiful story about musical plant. Revti was a student of music. She loved music. She used to play violin whenever she was free. One day, she sat on a cement bench in a courtyard. Now, what is courtyard? Courtyard means garden. Courtyard means garden, a place front of your house. That is called courtyard. And while playing the violin, she saw a balsam plant near the wall, which was not normal, which was not healthy. It was pale. See on slide, I have shown that. It was pale. It was not normal. So she had learned in her lower class in the school. She remembered that if plants need to grow healthier, they should be placed in such a way where they will get ample of sunlight. Ample means sufficient. Ample means sufficient. Sufficient of sunlight. So she shifted that plant to the sunlight. While shifting that plant, the idea struck in her mind. Why not to participate in a healthy best plant competition, which is just 4 weeks later in a society? So she decided to participate in a competition of a where the plants competition, that is you can say an exhibition of a plant. Then she made her mind, she watered the plant every day, she took care of the plant. Why? Because she wanted to participate in the competition. And on the same bench, she used to sit every day and play a beautiful music. That is her favorite raga. And the name of the raga is Mohanam. Don't forget Mohanam.
Hello.
Okay? So Mohanam was her favorite raga. And she used to play whenever she used to get a free time, or whenever it was her everyday's routine. So she used to play near the plant. As the tree was growing, okay, tree was looking very healthier and in her courtyard. Now what happened suddenly? When she was playing a Mohanam Raga, suddenly she found a difference in the plant. And what was that difference? That plant was reacting to her music. Plant was responding to her music. It means plant was moving to her music. In short, you can say that plant was dancing. And it was very much strange to her that how can plants move when there is no breeze? There was no breeze. There was no air in the atmosphere. So how can plants move there? She did not tell this secret to anybody. She did on the second day again. Again, she found that the plant is responding in the same way when there is no breeze. And slowly, what happened there? When plant was not only growing healthier, but it was flowering also. At the same time, it was blooming. It was getting a small beautiful flowers of the purple color. That is mauve, that is purple and pale purple color with a white mixing color. And what happened then? She used to dream about the flowers in her sleep. One day, suddenly, on the day of competition, what happened? Early morning, when she went in the garden, she saw her pot was missing. Where is her pot? She searched everywhere, but she was sad. She could not find anywhere. She asked her mother whether she saw the pot, and she said, "No, I haven't seen a pot." She searched. She was very sad. But at the same time, at evening, her friends forced her to attend the prize distribution ceremony of the contest. She was not happy. She was very much sad because she was dejected. So what happened here? Dejected means sad and disappointed. She was dejected. And when she went with the request of a friend, when she went to the competition over there, what she saw? A plant was placed over there by a distant neighbor's name. So it means somebody had robbed her plant. She went to the organizer. She requested them that she claimed that this plant belongs to her, this plant. But they said that, how can you prove? Whenever we lost our things, we have to prove that. Same way the organizers told her to prove. And my dear children, she was helpless there. How to prove? Plants do not speak, no? So they can say that she's my owner or I belong to her. Then suddenly she thought about a violin. And she said to the organizer that I will prove. She rushed home and brought her violin. When all the organizers when all the organizers saw the violin, they started laughing, and they made fun of Revati. Even though Revati was sad and upset, but she said that my plants will definitely respond to the music, and she started playing a beautiful violin there, the favorite raga Mohanam. And to everybody's surprise, do you know what happened? The plants started moving towards Revati. The organizer, the people over there who were laughing at her, everybody was surprised. They applauded her. Applauded means they appreciated her. They clapped for her. And then organizer finally decided to give the balsam plant to her, as well as they claim the winner is Revati of the contest. So this is a central idea of the story. So my dear children, do you have any query here? You can raise your hand. Anything which is missed? Okay. Now we will read this lesson, and whatever meanings will come across, I'll just solve your queries over there. Okay. Yes. Anybody of you wants to read? Can anybody will read for me? Revti's musical plan.
I can, miss.
Yeah. Prachi Gupta. Prachi Gupta can read for me first. Okay. After Prachi, Shubham will read. Okay. Prachi, read first paragraph, beta.
Miss, can I?
Revti was a student of music.
Miss
She
Mushroff.
was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. The plants were not looking normal. She had pale green leaves and their growth was stunned. She remembered she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight.
Okay, Prachi, I'll just explain. Thank you, beta. See, now I told you, Revti was a lover of music. She was a music student. Okay. To sit on a cement bench in a court. Okay. And the backyard is also what? The place which is backside of your house. That is called backyard. Okay. So she used to practice the violin every day. While playing a violin one day, she noted a balsam plant. Now, plant usually pink and white, which is grown in the garden with a pink and white flowering. So that is flowering plant. Okay, but it was weak. It was not that green in color. Okay, the growth was stunted. Stunted means stopped or slowly. Stopped or slowly. Slowly the plant was growing. What she has learned that so plants need ample of sunlight. So whenever the ample of sunlight is and very healthier. Okay, so she shifted that plant to the sunlight. Now, who will read second paragraph for me?
Miss, I will tell.
Miss, can I?
Yes,
Miss, can I?
Shubham Singh.
While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Then and there she decided to participate, thus making up her mind. She watered the plant and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. She was very fond of the raga. Mohanam, she played the raga for some time and then went in for her study.
Okay, stop it. Went for this study. Okay. So while shifting that plant, what they thought? She thought an idea that why don't we participate in a competition that is best plant competition, which will be held 4 weeks later. 4 weeks later means after 1 month. Okay. So 1 month is having 4 weeks. So 4 weeks later. Thus she made her mind. She watered the plant. She took care of the plant every day and to play raga in her courtyard. She used to observe the growth of the. The name of her favorite raga. What was the name?
Is
Mohanam.
Mohanam Raga.
Very
Mohanam.
good. Excellent. Mohanam. Don't forget that. Okay. And can anyone tell me why did Revti?
Can you return once again the question, miss?
Yes, sure. Why did Revti change the pot's place?
Miss, because
Yes,
they were
sunlight.
not looking
Healthier. Exactly. They were not looking at that healthier. So where did she shift? Where did she shifted the plant?
To the courtyard.
Near sunlight.
In the center of the courtyard.
Near sunlight.
Very good. Excellent. Where ample of sunlight was where plant was able to get sufficient of sunlight. Ample and sufficient means same word. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Next, who will read the next paragraph?
Miss, can I tell? Miss, can I? Miss,
Miss,
can I?
Raise your hand.
Miss, I read. Miss,
Miss, can I tell?
Miss, I
Raise your hands. Okay. Vishakha Mishra. Vishakha.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Every day, Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day, as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. It struck her as odd.
Yes, very good, Vishakha. I'll explain this paragraph. Well, every day, Revati used to sit on the bench and she used to play a Mohanam Raga, which was very much favorite to her. And what she saw that plants are looking healthier, plants are looking strong, and apart from that, the plants are slowly moving towards her when there is no breeze. When there is no breeze in the environment, when there is no air in the environment, why then the plants are moving towards her? What is the reason? It stuck her as odd. This is a phrase, okay? It stuck as her as odd. It means seems to be very strange. It was very much new to her. The bending, moving, slightly bending towards her or moving towards her. Okay. So further we will study.
Teacher,
Next,
your voice
who
is
will read?
cutting.
Dhruv.
Teacher, can I?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Dhruv will-
Yes.
Dhruv
Okay.
will- Yeah.
Yeah.
Dhruv.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. The next evening, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. That day also, there was no breeze. And Miss, I want to ask one question that what is the meaning of astonished?
Astonished. Astonished means
Yeah,
what?
miss.
She was surprised there. She felt something new. Okay? This was astonished and surprised her. Means
Okay, Miss.
this
Okay,
is
okay.
unusual thing happening to her, which is not regular. Okay? This is new, something new. So here, again next day evening, when she was playing her violin, to take care of the plants and potted plants over there. Again, she saw that plants are bending towards her when she's playing the Mohanam Raga. Again, the plants are bending towards her. Again, the plants are moving towards her. So this was that this is something new. What is happening towards the plant? Who will read next?
Miss, can I tell?
No, who?
Miss,
What's
can
your
I?
name, beta? Just
Miss,
raise
can
your
I-
hand.
Miss, can I read?
Just raise your hand. Gautam?
Yes,
Gautam,
miss.
you want
First
to
of
read?
all, I
Read.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Repti sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as proof they did not like what she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly strengthened themselves and bent towards her summit because a certain her plants loved to hear her favorite tune.
Now here, my dear children, what happened here? Revati sat on the bench and played a different tunes. Okay. Now one tune she played it very fast music. And what to her surprise, what happened? Plants turned away from her. Plants moved away from her. Sometimes when we hear very harsh sound, what is our reaction? We say something like this, okay? Or we put fingers in our ears. Same way, in very similar way, plants responded to her. Plants moved away from her. And again, when she came and started playing a Mohanam Raga, again plants slowly started moving towards her. Now here one word, new word is that sub surmise. Surmise means suppose something is true. Suppose something is true. So here they have explained us. I'll asking me two questions. What strange thing did Revati notice about the potted plant? What was a strange thing that Revati noticed?
आवाज आ रहा है
Yes.
मेरा है ना actually एक little
What was a
bit
strange thing? What was an unusual thing over there? Revati noticed.
That the plants are moving on her favorite tune.
Exactly, that plants are moving to her favorite tune. Plants are responding to her favorite tune. Very nice, very good. Second one, how did Revati confirm her new discovery?
When she started another tune, they were
Yeah,
not they moved from
away.
her.
Yes, they moved away from her. When she played a fast music, when she played a fast rhythm, what happened? The plants moved away from her. And then she discovered that this is yes, this is a favorite music of the plant. She discovered this. Next, can anybody read? Next,
Can I?
Gopal. Gopal, you can read better.
Miss she kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Rivati found her potted plant not only taller and heighter than other basil plant, but that they had started flowering a few days early that the other plant. The flowering were big and brightly colored, and and one of the plant had unusual kind of flower. The flower was made with white strips. That evening, the knew she would definitely grade the surprise for the best plant.
Gopal, just wait. This is a big paragraph, so we will just do it half up. Okay, you will only read as I'll explain this for 5 lines first. Okay. Now, my dear children, here she kept this as a secret. She did not share with anybody, if not even her mother. And only few days left. Now it was the competition was very surprised that potted plants were not only healthier and growing tall, but at the same time they were flowering, they were blooming. Okay, and the different flower to what surprise that were different flower, that is Maeve. Maeve means a pale
Your
purple
voice is
color.
not
Pale
coming
means,
clear.
can you listen to me?
फिर आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
Okay.
Yeah, miss.
yes miss
So pale with a white strip, that is pale purple color, means a light purplish, okay, with a white strip. So this was a beautiful sign. This was a beautiful indication. And here what happened? Revati started dreaming about her plant. She was so much attached to the plant. She is growing the plant not for the competition, but she is making them to grow. Okay. Now Gopal continue.
She went to bed dreaming of her plant and the new types of flower. The next day was the all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plant. Rivati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plant. She looked to see if someone has moved the pot. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plant. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plant in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard.
Very good. Okay. Now see, in same paragraph here, what happened? She went to the bed early because she wanted to competition. Okay. Wake up early morning in the garden. She went there. Her plant. Both the potted plant, that is, whole sapling was missing. She was surprised. She was shocked. She asked her mother. She said that I haven't seen, but yesterday we had our neighbor as a guest. But when they went, they remarked that plants are very good and they look healthier. But at the same time, then she said her mother said that she was busy. She was busy in the kitchen. So she did not had been again in the what happened? Revati's plant is missing. Of the competition. Okay, something she has dreamed, and that thing is not going to happen. Now, what happened further? Let's see. Ishan, Shweta. Please read, beta.
Yes. Rivati grief knew no bounds. She went around asking every one of her neighbor, but no one had been asking anywhere near the pot of plant. She could not lodge any complaint for a pot of plant. She felt as through everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she was not
No, she really missed.
really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friend who enjoyed her music.
Very good, Ishan. Beta, there is full stop, there is comma. You need to wait. Okay? When there is full stop, you need to take a pause.
Yes.
Okay? Just take a break, a short break, and again continue. Okay? Well, good then. Now here, Revati's grief no bounds. Now what happened? Revati is very sad. She is very sad. She is having a very sadness that upset. Now what to do? She went everywhere near her neighbor asking about the plant, but they said they have not seen her plant. She felt that everything is lost. She don't want prize now, but she want her plant because she loved her plant. She loved her plant. She has taken care of that plant. Then their friends who enjoyed her music. They were the friends. They were her friends every day who used to enjoy her music. And it was like she is playing the music to them. So this was a very beautiful bonding created between Revati and plants. See, humans can not only be a friend, you can be a friend of a plant also. You can be a friend of an animal also. We have pet as a we have birds. When we go to school or when we go home, the dogs come running. Okay, he barks. He comes. If you are having the cat, she comes near you. Okay, when you touch the cat, she feels very good. Why these things are happening? Because there is a bonding between the plants and animals. This is the relation. Okay. Now next, who will read? Who will read? Oh, yes, Praveen Singh.
Miss, can I?
Yes, yes. Praveen, you have raised your hand now. Can you read? Okay, Sahil Salim Sheikh.
Evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution
Miss,
ceremony,
can
No,
I
no,
but
read?
beta,
she
no,
did not
no, no.
attend.
Page number 18, last paragraph.
Teacher, can I?
Yes, read.
That evening, all
Yes,
her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friend forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where to the potted plants were displayed. Rivati was shocked. There was her pot of plant on a beach bench with the name of the distant neighbor of her as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plant. She went to the organizer of the show and told them about it.
Okay. Now what happened here? Revati was very sad at that day. She did not want to participate or she want to attend the prize distribution ceremony. But her friends insisted her. Her friends forced her. And she went along with her friends. After reaching there, what she saw? She saw display over there. Revati's plant was spotted over there with a distance neighbor board, with a distance neighbor's name on the piece of cardboard. A small piece of cardboard was placed of a distant neighbor as a competitor. She went to the organizer and she told that this exactly belongs to her. She were not convinced. They said, how can you prove that plants are yours? How can you prove? The lady who has submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? Yes, she was a regular participant and she has submitted. Their organizer said, how can we doubt her now? Because she participates every day, every year, I mean. So how can we doubt her? It's wrong. You question did Revati received on the
Excuse
prize
me, miss.
distribution day?
Excuse me, miss.
Yes,
Which subject you teach?
yes.
Which subject you teach?
But I'll let you know this later on. Okay, let me continue this lecture first. I am teaching English right now.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay, this is a questions for you all. What shock did Revati received on the prize distribution day? What was the shock? What was the
She
thing happened?
see that her plant. She see that her plant in the contest.
Miss, which question?
I'll be repeating the question. What shock did Revati received on the prize distribution day?
Miss,
What was? Yes,
miss, she noticed her plants
yes.
in the prize list when she was seeing all the plants, watching all the plants.
Okay, but you can. Don't you feel that something is missing in your answer? She noticed her plant in a prize distribution ceremony. Okay, but whose name?
He noticed his
His
plans
neighbor. His
by
neighbor.
his neighbor name.
Yeah, distant neighbor name. Okay, she noticed the plant with a distant neighbor's name. Okay. Now here, what happened? Now there, she went to the organizer and tried to convince organizer, but they said no. Prove yourself. Now what happened? Revtis wondered who the sight of the plants bending towards her while she playing the violin flashed in her mind. She told the organizer that she could prove that the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned in few minutes with the violin, they started. Now what happened here? She sat what she to her favorite raga Mohanam. She said to the organizer, she ran home and what she did, she brought her violin. And when the organizers saw the violin, they started making fun of Revati. Okay. Now what happened? Who will read? Next. Next.
Can I?
Somebody new. Okay, Gopal, read.
Miss, can I?
Yes, Gopal.
The organizers.
Gopal,
Miss,
I just
आपकी voice
read that
cut
you need
रही
to
है.
go for next paragraph. But the ridicule did not deter from
Teacher,
this.
can I?
Yes, read.
But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me and you cold. See how they respond when I play to them.
Okay. Continue, beta.
They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plant enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her.
Okay, stop. Now see here. To her, but they ridicule. Ridicule means they made fun of her. They started laughing at
Miss,
her.
आपकी voice
What they
बराबर
said?
नहीं आ रही.
Okay. What they said? They said that they said that do plants have ears? How can they hear your music? But what Revati said, I know my plants, and I know my secret with my plants that they are even my plants love music.
Miss, your
So
voice is not coming.
I know what to do, so I can easily play the violin where my plants will. Okay.
मिस अटक अटक की आवाज आ रही है आपकी.
How did Revati plan to convince the organizers that the plants were her? Who will answer?
Miss, I can.
Yes.
Okay, Miss, my name is Dhruv. So the answer is that to convince the organization, so Revati got her violin and started to play Raga Mohanam.
Very good.
Okay. So her balsam. Yes, Miss, that's balsam, I think.
Yeah, balsam.
Okay. So listening the music, her balsam's plants turned towards her and reached out to her. The organizer who showed this miracle were convinced at once and reprimand and neighbors because it is really it is impossible. But because plants have not ear, plants cannot hurt anything. But then the Revati played the Raga Mohanam. Then the plants turned towards and her reach. So they declared Revati the winner of the contest, Miss.
Very nice. Excellent, Dhruv. I appreciate your English. Very, very good.
Thank you, Miss. Your pleasure, Miss.
Yeah. Why did the organizer refuse to believe that Revati's plants were music lover? Why did organizer refuse to believe
What is the
that?
meaning?
Why did organizer refuse? Refuse means they were not agreed that plants are music lover.
Because they think that the plants were not moving. They are not believing on Revati's.
You are partially right. I want something in detail like Dhruv. Dhruv, can you try? Dhruv, can you try?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Miss, can I?
Yes.
Okay, Miss.
Miss, can I tell the answer?
Yes. Anybody try fast.
Miss, the organizers did not believe that some plants were music lover because they had never heard of plants enjoying music.
Very good. Towards the point. They were they never heard that plants are loving music. Plants are enjoying the music, or plants are responding to the music. Now, last paragraph we are going to learn here. She felt very dejected, but very determined to win her plants back. She sat near the plant with a violin and started playing her favorite raga, engrossed with her music. Revati even forgot her plants for that time, but on other could not. With wonder on their eyes, they watched the plants, straight at first and slightly bending, as she played on and on. The stems bent towards Revati as though they want to be touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunted. They had watched a new. So organizers were also very much when they started playing the raga, hands were bending, but slowly they bent as if they wanted to touch Revati with their happiness. Okay, so this was surprise, and everything organizers were watching them. For a moment, Revati forgot that and proving her plans. She was also engrossed herself. She was also involved herself in that music. According to the music, and Revati had become a great discovery. Now, what happened when all the organizers saw that the phenomena means an occurrence or a wonder, something new, something changing. Okay, it was a great surprise. They were convinced that the plants were. She accepted after long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plant and had removed in the pot and in the night to her house and submitted later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authority decided that prize Revati carried home the prize proudly with her potted plant. Now, what happened when organizers were convinced? They applauded. Put out means she had done something wrong. Okay, she had done something wrong. So the organizers pulled her out and said that she had stolen a Revati's plant at night, and she had placed in the exhibition, and nobody could doubt her because she was a regular participant. She used to participate regularly. So nobody would doubted her. So she has done this wrong thing. And finally, the authority gave prize as well as the balsam plant to the Revati, and Revati carried the apple. Two questions here. Expected that neighbor had stolen a plant. Why had?
Miss, can I?
Yes, sure, you can.
Miss, because the organizers did not suspected that the neighbor had stolen the this plant, because as she was a regular participant of the best plant competition.
Very good, Prachi. Excellent. Last question. What is the happy end?
Miss, that Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of
along with the trophy. So
question.
do you have any queries here? Do you have any queries? Any problem here?
No, miss, no. Full doubts are clear.
No, you can ask me any meaning, any difficult word here. Anything you can ask me. Anything you can ask me.
Miss, authorities means?
Authorities. Authorities means what? In charge. Okay. Now your school is having authority. Now who is authority? Principal. Okay. Teachers. Okay. Non-teaching staff. Okay. These are called all the authority of the school. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Anything else?
No, miss.
Here I have. Yes.
Miss. Hello, miss.
Yes. Yes.
Miss,
No,
I
miss.
want to listen.
No, miss.
Wait, miss. Okay, I will tell miss. I want to listen once again. Answer. What is the happy end, miss?
Okay. What was the happy end? The happy end was Revati carried her home the prize with a potted plant. She carried, no? She got, no? See here.
Yeah,
What
miss, yeah.
was it? Yeah. Can you see on the slide? What is the happy end?
Yes.
Revati carried home the prize proudly
Yes,
with her
yes.
potted plant. Anything else? You can ask me. It's your time. Yes, Anju?
Miss, meaning of suspected?
Suspected. Suspected means to doubt somebody. Okay, when you doubt, it's called suspected. Okay. Now, my dear children, what do we learn from this lesson? What was the important message this lesson gave us? What important message? That whenever we are free, we should spend a time with environment. We should give few time with environment. You can do a friendship with environment. It's very important. Next is conservation and protection of our nature should be our goal. We should plant trees as well as we should take care. Planting and living on its own, you should take care, you should water the plant, you should take proper care. Then plant a sapling.
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you. Be safe,
Miss, thank
stay
you.
safe.
Thank you, miss.
Okay.
Thank you, miss.
Welcome.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.